Bitcoin rejecting $95,000 today is on its way back down. And that is coming with price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high at an 87% chance of a drop. If we get a sell signal, that is a full bearish trifecta. Now, the previous bearish trifecta didn't quite work out as expected, and there is still a chance of a short squeeze to the upside. And I'm going to show you why that is and how you can predict that. But no matter what happens, we have plenty of room to drop, and if a drop happens, it just means you get another entry opportunity. As long as we stay above $83,000, we are good to go. This would be a higher low formation to continue the uptrend. No matter what, guys, as long as we stay above that level, things are looking bullish. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we have 284 successful trade calls, 0 losses over the last 26 months. I think if this bull market continues, we're going to see some serious trade wins soon, so stay tuned for that. Brand new future forecast out as of yesterday talking about potential exits, and for our members, you can get $650 off our indicators during our spring indicator sale. This ends Friday, May 2nd. More on that later, but I want to jump straight into the analysis because things are getting a little crazy. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame. TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor are the indicators we are using in today's video. Price moved up, wicked up to $95,000 and has now about zeroed out. We're at about a 0.02% move down in Bitcoin on the daily. Well, money is moving out of the market. Very normal after we reach a peak like this. Actually, it peaked at 80%. That is really high. At this time, it means that whales have overbought and are likely to sell out of the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to. You see right here, whale money peaks, whales sell out, price drops. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to. At the same time, trades in favor with an 87% chance of a drop means that upwards momentum has run out and we're likely to reject to the downside. From there, if we get a sell signal, which is very likely if this candle closes red, this would create a full bullish trifecta, sending the price to the downside. And typically, this is going to result in drops. Very, very normal for this to result in drops. It did not quite happen right here because whale money actually continued moving into the market, creating what's called a short squeeze at this level. We expected this to be a top drop and retest before a move up. That retest did not happen. We stayed above $83,000, much to the joy of a lot of traders that have been hurt in this major bear market, or I guess a minor bear market if we're being realistic. Overall, consolidation happened here. Whale money moved into the market, pumped the price, and now whales are severely overbought. Now, that's not to say they can't do this again. We've seen instances of this right back here. Tons of consolidation. Whale money suddenly begins moving into the market and the price pumps. Same thing back here. Consolidation, price pumps. It's how we even got to our current price in the first place. These are called short squeezes. There's a ton of people trying to take short trades at this level. And if whale money spikes into the market, pushing the price above those short trade liquidation levels, it takes away bearish pressure, allowing the price to rise. And then as those short traders are liquidated, they'll try and enter long trades, and this will push the price higher as they try to recuperate their losses. It's a fairly common occurrence in the crypto market, especially as bull markets take over. So that's what I want our traders to look out for. From a technical standpoint on the daily, we are looking bearish. I think we're going to stay above $83,000 to form a higher low to continue the uptrend on up to the $109,358 level. This would both complete this falling wedge pattern, which is broken to the upside as expected, and it would likely create a new all-time high in Bitcoin, setting the precedent for the rest of the year. If we head to the weekly time frame, this is confirmed. We have price versus while money flow low. We have trades in favor low. We got a buy signal and the price is spiking. The last time we got this combination of indicator signals, the price of Bitcoin pumped an insane 86%. And that's why I want you paying such close attention to this. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, and trades in favor low on the weekly time frame, forming a bullish trifecta, is one of the most bullish signals you can possibly get in the crypto market. And you are seeing the effects of that play out right now. From that buy signal, the price really only needs to rise about 30% to touch the previous, or I guess the current all-time high. That is much lower than 86%. And I want to let you know that 86% right here, buy signal price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low, is not an anomaly. We see moves like this very consistently, 156% after a bullish trifecta on the weekly time frame. Guys, big moves are coming and I need you to be ready. So even if the price drops to create a higher low formation, I want you to be ready for much larger moves up. If you haven't bought in already, I want to make sure you have your alerts set so you can catch the next bottom and ideal candle opportunity before the massive explosion. So what we're going to do is head to the alerts tab. We're going to click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and you're going to name it. I like to call it Bitcoin 1 day WFP, standing for watch for pump. Click create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. Keep it as a buy signal once per bar close, and we're going to name it Bitcoin 1 day buy. Click create, and the last alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder again. This time it'll be a strong buy once per bar close. I bet you can't guess what we're going to name it. Bitcoin 1 day strong buy. Click create, and these three alerts are going to help you catch that next bullish trifecta. If the watch for pump alert posts, it means downwards momentum has run out. We've closed in the long trade zone and we're likely to bounce to the upside. Buy or strong buy alert means we received a buy or strong buy signal on our chart and you've likely found an ideal candle entry. If any of these three alerts post, be sure to check your indicators to see if you have or are at least close to creating that bullish trifecta. I want you guys to have these indicators loaded up on your chart if you want to be as effective as you can in this next bull market for Bitcoin. Lucky for you, we have the spring indicator sale. We are live, $650 off all indicators. Right here, as I scroll down, you're going to see this person earned $5,300, up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%, $2,100 in 3 days. 500, 5,200, 4,300 with these indicators. And guys, I want you to be ready. I want you to be making trades like this too. And our members are going to get that full $650 discount on top of money making benefits like the future forecast, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and tomorrow's live inner circle Zoom hangout. I want you guys to join us for that as well. Links are in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. This brings your first month down to less than $50 and you're immediately going to get $250 off the Pro Indicator Pack as a member. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this. This is where your further savings are going to come in. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information right here, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $650 discount. Sorry guys, I'm used to writing $550. $650 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for tomorrow's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Don't miss out.